Hey everyone, imagine this, making $1,000 in just 24 hours with nothing but your laptop and a stable Wi-Fi connection. Sounds too good to be true, right? But I did it, and in today's video, I'm walking you through every single step I took to make that happen. No fluff, no hype, just actionable steps that you can literally try right after watching this video. So go ahead, grab a notebook, get comfy, and let's get into how I turned $0 into $1,000 online in just one day. Either way, if you're new here, welcome to CoinCraft's channel, where we turn digital dust into real dollars. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about affiliate marketing. I've been hearing people hype it for months, so I decided to finally give it a go. I created accounts onto platforms Digistory24 and ClickBank. These are online marketplaces where you can find digital products to promote. And if someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. So what did I do exactly? I searched for a high-converting product in a niche that's booming right now. I landed on a trending AI tool. Why AI? Because it's everywhere. People are curious, excited, and willing to buy tools that help them automate work. Once I had my product, I used free traffic strategies to promote it. No ad budget, no paid shoutouts, just creative grind. I went to Quora, found questions that matched the product niche, and wrote helpful, engaging answers. I dropped my affiliate link subtly, making sure to provide value first. Then I post short-form videos on YouTube Shorts and TikTok. I used trending audio and added AI voiceovers because, let's be honest, they save a lot of time and sound super professional. One video unexpectedly went viral, nothing insane, but enough to get people clicking. In less than a day, I had $300 in commissions from one product alone. Now, that's right, $300 from a short-form video and some smart placements. But I didn't stop there. Next, I tried something that felt more creative, selling digital products. I used a platform called Gumroad. If you haven't heard of it, Gumroad is great for selling ebooks, templates, guides, you name it. No, I'm not a designer or a productivity guru, but I created a basic Notion template, just a plain, minimalist productivity dashboard to write the product description, landing page, and even the email that gets sent after purchase. I used ChatGPT, huge time saver. Then I shared the product in a few Reddit communities focused on productivity in Notion. I also made a few pins on Pinterest with catchy headlines, like this template helped me get more done in one day than in 1 week. The result? Around $220 in sales within 24 hours. So between affiliate marketing and this little Gumroad hustle, we were already halfway there. But I wasn't done. The third thing I tried was offering freelancing gigs, but with an AI twist. I signed up on Fiverr and Legit. Instead of offering something traditional like logo design or voiceovers, I focused on something quick and scalable, blog writing using ChatGPT. Here's how I made it work. I listed a gig titled High Quality SEO Blog Posts using AI, fast turnaround. Then I went to Facebook groups for bloggers, SEO forums, and entrepreneur communities, and I post value-based content. I gave tips, offered free samples, and linked back to my gigs. In just a few hours, I landed 2 clients. One ordered a long-form blog post, and the other needed 3 short SEO articles. The total payout, $180, and I finished both gigs within the same day. Next, I jumped into something a bit artsy, selling digital prints using AI-generated art. I created 10 digital wall art pieces using Midjourney and Sanua. Simple quotes, vibrant abstract designs, and some minimalist line art. Then I uploaded them to Etsy and Creative Fabrica. I optimized my listings with good SEO titles and tags, like printable wall art for living room or inspirational digital quote. This one was a bit slower to start, but I woke up the next morning to 5 sales. Each one brought in around $24. That's a total of $120 in less than 1 day. Just from uploading art, I didn't even hand draw myself. Now here's the fun part, bonus round, gaming for cash. Whenever I had a break from creating content or replying to clients, I used 2 apps, Misplay and Playtest Cloud. Both let you earn small rewards for testing games. It's not life-changing money, but during those little 5 to 10 minute breaks, I managed to rack up points and get paid out in gift cards and PayPal cash. By the end of the day, I had made about $50 from just playing mobile games while waiting for stuff to upload or download. It was fun, relaxing, and yes, it contributed to my final number. So let's break it down real quick. $300 from affiliate marketing, $220 from digital templates, $180 from freelance gigs, $120 from AI art and printables, $50 from gaming apps. That gives us a grand total of, drumroll, please, $1,000, all made online, all within just 24 hours. Now before you run off and try to copy this, here's the truth. I didn't do anything magical. What I did was test, create, tweak, and post consistently. Most of these income streams are repeatable, they're scalable, and you don't need to be a full-time developer or marketing guru to do them. You just need to start. So if you learned something new, do me a favor, smash that like button. It helps more than you know. Subscribe if you want more content where we test online money-making methods and give you honest feedback. We've got new videos dropping every single week. And comment below what you want me to try next. Should I aim for $2,000 in 48 hours? Or maybe $100 with 0 followers and 0 experience? Your comments help shape this channel, so don't hold back. Thank you for watching Coincrafts, where we don't just talk about making money online. We show you how to actually do it. Stay curious, stay creative, and as always, peace.